Welcome to my playhouse, and today we are gonna continue the pool project a little bit. I just released the video of, well, the last pool project video you saw today, so you can kind of see how much time has passed since you saw the last one until you see this one. Probably about 14 days. I started doing a bit more yesterday, so I put up 4 tiles, one there, and there, and today I'm gonna do 4 more at least. Yes, I'm off of work right now, so after a hard day at work, there's a limit to how much you want to do, and so I have 4 sides more, and that comes to just about this amount of tiling adhesive. So I'll go and mix up this amount of tiling adhesive, and that is gonna be just enough for the next 4 tiles. So that's gonna be wonderful. So yeah, and when I've done that tomorrow, I guess I'll start doing these smaller ones, and I need to cut those out, make 8 of those, and I think I can do all of them in one go, cut them and put them in. That should be doable, because tomorrow is Saturday, it's my day off. Well, one of them, Sunday, is also a day off, so yeah, it's looking mighty good. I think I'll go and clean some of this out. It's some of the grout that was in there. So, full portion of tiling adhesive, and I have wetted down the tiles here, and I have also put water on the walls over here so that all the tiling adhesive is not going to dry up when it touches, which is important. Okay, so I managed to put those 4 tiles in, and it looks pretty good. This one was a little bit different. The back of it was some other clay, so the new tiles that I've gotten is ever so slightly different from the ones that I got last year, but I don't think you're gonna be able to see the difference when they are grouted and stuff. So you can see that one is from the old batch and this one is from the new batch, and you can see there's kind of a red line on top of this one, where this one is more yellowish, brownish, skin colored maybe, if you're as white as me. So yeah, moving along. I am done for today. I'm gonna clean up and then I'm gonna go do something else. So it's a couple of days later, and I have been doing some work on the pool here, so let's see where I'm at. You saw me put in some of the larger tiles, but I have also been putting in some of the smaller ones. I put in all of them except one. I ran out of tiling adhesive for that one, so I'm gonna put that in today. It needs to stay right there. Oh dear. Probably cats. Also, they pushed my pin in. So we're getting there. When I put the next layer of tiles on, there's gonna be about 10 centimeters of spacing on top of that. So I need to figure out what to do with that. I really wanted an LED strip around there, but 10 centimeters is way too much for an LED strip. And yeah, I'm probably just gonna put a tile in, and then yeah, the LED strip is not gonna happen. Or I'm gonna figure out something smart. I don't know. We'll see. So yeah, I'm gonna be putting in some hole tiles today. I'm not gonna be able to make. I'm lazy. I am probably not gonna make all of it today because it's a lot of work. So yeah. Oh, and I got wood supplied for next year's heating. So up here, quite an amount of wood that should really be put in there. So yeah, I have to go start that up at some point as well. Okay, I have been busy mowing the lawn, so we better get to it. Otherwise, it's it's gonna be all over for today. Yeah, we're gonna manage this. We need to fill this up with tiling adhesive, and that is located in the garage. Oh, the bunker project. I'm still painting down here. Now everything has been painted at least once, but yeah, I don't feel that is interesting showing me painting that for 3 videos in a row, so you're not getting much of that. There is the tiling adhesive. I'm gonna fill this up-ish, kind of. If I fill it up to the rim, it's very hard to stir it around, so I'm gonna not do that. Then we're gonna add some of this concrete plasticizer thingy. Just a squeeze. There. I'm not yet totally sure what that does, but it came highly recommended. We're gonna add some water to that. Just make sure that the water is good. And it's important not to add too much water, because yeah, that's gonna be a problem. I'll mix this. Okay, I've had this sitting for just a little bit too long. It has started to get difficult to get off of there, but a little scraper and it helps. So I put up the parasol, sunshade thingy, umbrella, big sun umbrella thing, and to make a little workstation over here in the shadow, so that I don't overheat as quickly. So we're gonna be putting this one. I need to make that wet. There we are, dripping wet. And yeah, and then we are just gonna make a sandwich here. Oops, I'll be everything. And then we're gonna put that in. I put the cut corner against this one in here. I don't know why, but that's how I've done it. So I'm gonna keep doing that. There. And then I have some spacers up here. I'm gonna make sure that it at least have that space between the tiles. We can have one more in here. Yeah, that makes it good and straight, even if it's not. Cool. I wetted this wall, it's already dry, so I'll have to do that again. We're gonna make a bigger sandwich with this towel, which I have already put water on. Okay, that was what I got in. 3 tiles. Wasn't a lot, but well, you almost can't see it, but someone spilled a lot of tiling adhesive right there. And I used to kind of a lot of time cleaning all the tiles and also wipe the floor. So yeah, progress nevertheless. How many tiles are left in this box? 2. Okay, so I have another box. It's down there. Just wanted to make sure that I hadn't purchased too many. And as you can see, there's a really nice gap there for something, some decorative something. I would really like an LED strip there, as I said. I'm gonna think about that, if that is possible. Otherwise I could just put some tiles on and then glue an LED strip onto the tiles. I don't know if that would work, but meh. Okay, a little bit has happened since you saw this last. I have completed the tiling in here. Well, the white tiling the white tiling I have completed. I do have some other tiling that I want to do, but I also want to put in an LED lights in here. So I've been figuring out, see what I can do, and I have some LED strips here which I did a video on, which was sent to me, and I want to put that in a metal thing so that these can be replaceable. So I want to put this in here somewhere and then have the LED strip come inside. I can kind of show you how that should work. The metal thing for curtains, and it just happens to have kind of the right size, so the LED strip can go in there. And the idea is that this is on the side of the wall. I believe the LED strip here is waterproof, so that would work. There are some bits like the connections here that's not waterproof, and it has tape on the back. I'm not sure that I need to use that tape, so yeah, I want to put this strip in so that I can feed the LED strips through afterwards and replace them if I need to do so at some point. So yeah, and when I've done that, I have some pretty tiles here that I'm gonna fill up the rest with. So I went out and I purchased these, and yeah, they're gonna look great, I'm sure. Sort of alloy profile like this becomes very expensive when you need there are 6.4 meters around here, and it's at least 150 Danish kroners per 2 meters. So yeah, that's a lot of money. This alloy profile, which is curtain rods, is a lot more inexpensive. I don't know why, but it is. And yeah, I've been removing a little notch here so that I can bend it so that it can kind of follow the corner here. So, and there's about 81 centimeters between each of that's the measurements that I've gotten so far, at least. So I'm going to be cutting one more here where this red dot is, so that I get the most out of this piece of alloy profile. Now the profile will go in here, sit there, I have to glue it in place. It doesn't sit by itself, so I have purchased some glue to put that in with, so I'm gonna try that. I do think that I want to make sure that I can get the LED strip around those corners first. Let's see, and this is the hard part. It's the one with the connector, so I think it's good. Yeah, this is manageable. It's gonna be a lot of work, especially when you get to the next one and the next one and the next one. But yeah, the LED strip is 5 meters long, so I'll probably have to do 2 LED strips. I'm planning on this being the corner with the LED strip starts, and then it will go around and it will meet on the opposite corner, which should be that one. And then the same thing from the other side, goes the other way around. Let's see if this will go in. And stay there. It will. Cool. So I have some spacers here. I wanna groove under it. So I'll make sure that it doesn't go too far down. Okay, it's very uneven right there. So now we have this well, alloy profile all the way around in the pool here, ready to have some LEDs going in. I don't know how I'm gonna do this yet. I might try. Well, I have 2 LED strips of 5 meters. I might try to get one 5 meter to go as far as I can, and then use the next one for the last little bit. The alloy profile here needs to dry, so I'm probably not going to do anything more today. I still need to go and figure out how I want to put those nice arty-farty tiles in so that it will all look good. But yeah, that's a job for another day. So this is where I'm gonna end the pool project for this video. Yeah, we did complete something, and we are a lot closer to getting some water in this pool than I've ever been. Well, I had water in it last year, but it was like a top and stuff. So yeah, this is gonna be really cool when I have done a little bit more work. It's a bit sad because today would have been a really good day to have a little bit of water in the pool and do some solar heating and yeah, enjoy some time here. But maybe in 14 days or something I could get lucky and be sitting here. So thank you very much for watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel so that you can see me again, and have a really nice day. Bye bye.